Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my Christmas haul. This is an annual video that I do, and it is basically where I show you guys everything that I have gotten. Some of it's usually gifted to me. A lot of it is stuff that I've purchased in the holiday time and in the new year. Especially since I started this channel, I typically dedicate a big chunk of my Christmas money to purchasing the new and exciting stuff of the new year, and I have so many beautiful, very, very exciting products laid out in front of me, and I'm so pumped to share them with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I have, then keep on watching. So I have a little bit of high end, I have a little bit of drugstore, we got some Natasha Denona, we got some Rare Beauty, we got some MAC Cosmetics, and I'm so pumped. Let's start with the Sephora stuff. So the first thing that I've gotten is the new Natasha Denona mini BIBA collection. So this is a little mini collection that comes with the mini BIBA eyeshadow palette and the Rose Cheek Duo. So first, let's take a look at the eyeshadow palette. They're only 25 US, 33 Canadian. Like, that's really not that bad when it comes, especially when it comes to such high-end luxe makeup. So this is the new palette. So as you can see, it has a really, really stunning color scheme. It is called the Mini BIBA palette. This is inspired by her original, like, large BIBA eyeshadow palette. Is one of her best-selling eyeshadow palettes. I really, really love the color scheme of this. Nudes, browns, a little bit of like that peachy coral. So it looks like a very everyday color scheme. It has a couple different finishes, some mattes, a metallic, and it looks like a cream to powder eyeshadow, which is just stunning. I really, as I said, I really love her eyeshadow, and I really love the color scheme. So I'm super pumped to try this. And then, as I said, along in the collection comes the mini cheek duo. So it comes with a cream blush and highlighter. This is the actual packaging, really stunning packaging. And this is the actual product. So as you can see, like, really, really pretty colors. It looks like very universal and neutral shades that could suit a lot of people. So I like that. We will be testing that little duo or this little bundle here very, very soon. So stay tuned. The next product I got is from Rare Beauty. So she recently launched 3 brand new shades of her liquid blush, and I had to jump on that. Now, unfortunately, the 3rd shade was out of stock by the time I could get there and order it, unfortunately. But that's totally fine because these 2 shades I'm super pumped about and very excited. They're both dewy finish, which is a really, really pretty formula. This one is called Encourage. Come on, there we go. The same packaging as before, but just new shades. And like, take a look at that shade. Should we swatch it? Because it's so pretty, which is described as a soft neutral pink. Can't wait to try these shades actually on the cheeks. Look at how pretty that is. And then the next shade I got is Believe. It's a true mauve. So these are a little bit more cool toned. I found the majority of her shades were either kind of bright or warm. And so I like that she's come with some like more neutral and cool toned shades. So this is actually quite similar. Right here, the little bit darker one is Believe. So it's just a tiny bit darker and a little bit more mauvey, a little bit less pink, but both shades are so pretty. And honestly, both shades are probably the most like realistic to what I would want to wear in an everyday over the other 2 that I have. So I'm so excited to have these in my collection. Next, I got the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. So this is her new mistake-proof bronzer in a convenient stick formula that melts seamlessly into the skin for a natural looking warmth and dimension. So I'm super huge fan of cream bronzer, cream contour, and this one just looks so cute. So this is the packaging, really, really cute. This is the actual shade. I got it in the shade Power Boost. So it is one of the lightest shades, and it has a nice neutral color to it. It's not super ashy and cool toned, but it's also not really warm and orangey. So I really like that. Looks like it would be cool enough too to do like actual contour. Then I also got the Always an Optimist Soft Radiance Setting Powder. I got it in the shade Light. This is what it actually looks like. So again, I love her packaging. So simple, so delicate, and very soft. It almost reminds me of, like, you know when you have spices in your kitchen and it has like the thing that you move so that you can close it and then you can open it to sprinkle it on. It's kind of like that, but it has the nice Rare Beauty logo. See how you like move it and then it shows the holes. It's supposed to be a super fine loose setting powder that melds with your makeup to smooth, blur, and set with a soft radiant finish. But I did also read online that it still is supposed to help lock your makeup in and control shine. So to go along with the powder, I also got the brush. So this is her new Always an Optimist powder brush. And it's supposed to be a super soft synthetic powder brush in a triangular dome shape, perfect for precise application and all over blending. And I did read here online that they're super soft, patented vegan bristles that are supposed to mimic the effect of real hair for a seamless finish. So that's cool. So this is the actual brush. Let's take a look. Really pretty though so far. These fake nails are nice until you have to actually open something. So this is the actual brush, which it's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, which I like because it's big enough that you can still do that all over blending. And it feels like soft and loose enough that it will do that all over blending, but it is in that nice dome shape, which I actually have a couple brushes in my collection that I really enjoy this shape. So I'm excited to try this one because it's nice for like dusting off bake. It's tapered, so it's still nice and precise. So I really like the shape of it. It's just a really pretty brush too. Like it's something that I would really want to get just even for the look of it. So I'm excited. So we shall see how all this Rare Beauty stuff works out, how it actually turns out. So the next little bundle of stuff that I got is from MAC Cosmetics. So they recently launched their Lunar New Year collection and it is absolutely stunning. I saw it online and I was like, I have to get that. So I did get number one, the eyeshadow palette. This is called the Made My Fortune eyeshadow palette. It is a smaller palette. This is the actual packaging, which is just so cute. I really, really like that. And then this is the actual palette. Oh, it is still very expensive for the amount of eyeshadow that you get, but it just looks so beautiful. It's got some warm tones. It's got a couple cool tones in there. It has a really, really pretty color scheme to it. And MAC has been very hit or miss within the last year or two. I find I either love or hate the not hate, but I either love or not really love so much the products. So I wanted to see how this one turned out and review it for you guys so you don't have to purchase it if it's not worth it. And then I did get the highlight that goes with the collection as well. So this is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter in the shade Lunar Lights. This is the packaging. It matches the eyeshadow palette. So again, very cute. And then this is the actual highlight. So I really love the Extra Dimension Skin Finish formula. It is a really beautiful, like finely milled, seamless, really nice highlight. And it's like a nice golden shade, but it looked like it wasn't too dark. So I'm always down to test that. I'm a sucker for their Extra Dimension highlights. Like, look at that, how like silky. It's pretty, that is pretty. It's like almost like a champagne-y gold, which is like my favorite highlight shade. Very excited to test those two along with one of their lipsticks. So they actually included their Powder Kiss lipsticks in this collection. So this is the Bullet. Again, this is all going to be limited edition. So I'm going to review it really quickly for you guys. So if you guys want to grab it, then you will know if it's worth the purchase or not. And I did get it in the shade Enveloped in Luck. So Enveloped in Luck is a neutral pink. The Powder Kiss, in case you're interested, is a weightless moisture matte lipstick that delivers a blur of fierce soft focus color. This is the actual shade, which is just like the picture of perfection in terms of lipstick. Like that type of shade is just to die for. It's a nice nudie pink, my favorite shades. Also, I wanted to give a quick mention, like MAC, you go MAC, because it came with this kit here for free. It's worth $85 and it comes with a full size of the MAC Mattifying Shine Control Primer, which I recently reviewed. And it comes with a mini of the Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray. And then it comes with a full size of the Prep and Prime lip balm. So I think that is so cool. Like Sephora, I got like a little bag of like samples, like samples, like mini, like in the pack, the paper, like barely one use kind of samples. Like these are full size products. So I really love that. I really love that. So I did also get a couple things. My mom watches my videos, and so she did pay attention to some of my best in beauty videos and threw this in my stocking. Yes, my mom still gets me stockings. She's that mom. She spoils everybody rotten, let's just say that. So thanks, Mom. But she got me the Professional Super Setter setting spray because I did mention I was out. I had the mini one that I had reviewed and loved, used it all, and I had to repurchase. So she went out and got me the full size. It really locks in the makeup for all day wear. It has a beautiful light mist, so it's super weightless. It's also kind of blurring to the skin and really just melts your makeup in together. So I really, really like that, and I'm excited to have a full size back in stock. And another one that my mom went out and got me for Christmas after watching my videos was the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It is a restock because I was out of that as well. So thanks again, Mom. You are the best. This is the best setting powder you can get, especially if you like to bake. I used it today. It is so good. So now we have some drugstore, and I'm really excited about these as well, as I believe all of the formulas are new. Now it's hard for me, as I've mentioned, to get like the new drugstore, but a lot of this I think is relatively still pretty new in the market. So hopefully, but sometimes the drugstore in Canada, like if I go to Shoppers or Walmart, it'll say new on it, but then it'll say new on it for like a year, and it'll have already been out for like 6 months. So I'm hoping, and I'm pretty sure these are all pretty new. So for the first thing that I got was the Essence Dancing Green Eyeshadow Palette. Essence is definitely hit or miss kind of brand, but there's so many products from Essence that I really think are top-notch quality for like pennies. Like the prices are insanely cheap. It's some of the cheapest makeup you can get. And I have yet to find an eyeshadow palette that I really have fallen in love with, but I really liked this color scheme. It's such a different color scheme. It came in like a blue one, so other different colors, but I really liked the green. I don't do enough green eyeshadow looks because I feel like every time I do, I really love them. And I just think that the actual like greens included are really flattering greens, like the kind of sagey, not like neon. Should we just swatch one? I think that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's better than ones I've seen before from Essence. So hopefully this one will be a hit because it was like $4. So also from Essence, I got the Good Stuff Volume Mascara with Caring Coconut Oil. So this is supposed to be like a really clean and good for your lashes kind of mascara. It has 93% natural ingredients. It's for conditioning and strengthening your lashes, but it also adds volume. So this is the brush. Ooh! That's surprising that it's a volumizing formula. We'll have to really see how that does, because it's not what I expected. It's such a like large tube. I expected some big, like, you know, like the big volumizing wands, but it's nice and skinny, which I do really like the skinny wands. I find they're easier, especially for like lower lash line. So I'm very pumped to see how that performs. I also from Essence got the What the Fake Plumping Lip Filler. It is a lip gloss, plumping lip gloss. Now they used to have the Shine Shine Shine, like they still have that lip gloss line, but they had a plumping one, and I really like it. I actually included it in my yearly favorites. It's that good. But this is their new plumping lip gloss, so I had to grab it. It does have a minty smell to it, and it's super clear, so you probably won't even see it, but I am excited to see if it actually plumps the lips and if it's like nice and hydrating. So the last thing from Essence I got is the Soft and Precise lip pencil. I believe, okay, so I mentioned that their old lip pencils were great. They discontinued them. They then came out with new ones, which were like the contouring lip pencils, I believe they were called. Hated those. Well, not hated, but like didn't find they like glided easily. They weren't like, they didn't have enough payoff and pigmentation, and I just didn't love them. Then I tried their Stay 8 Hours, which is one of my favorite lip liners in my whole collection. I love them, but I can't find them anymore, so I don't know if they're discontinuing them. So I thought, let's try these because I think they're new. This is the Soft and Precise Lip Pencil for shaping, lining, filling in lips. High color payoff in one smooth stroke. Beside that MAC lipstick there, that line here is the shade My Choice. So it's like a nice nude, like nudie pink, well, kind of more pink, but a nudie pink. I also got the new Revlon matte lipstick. Nice sleek bullet. This is the actual shade, which again, you can see, I just love nude lipsticks. This is Untold Stories. Again, just like a nice nude. The formula looks really nice right there. So we'll have to see how it actually looks on the lips and how it wears. And then the last thing I got is from Catrice, and it is the Powerful, get it? Powerful 5. It's the liquid lip balm. It has hyaluron, vitamin E, shea butter, green tea, and goji berry. So those are the Powerful 5 ingredients that are supposed to be really hydrating and nourishing to the lips. It's supposed to be a volumizing liquid lip balm, so it's supposed to like be juicy and plumping. And they are tinted. This is in the shade Lychee Glaze. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. You see this one right here? And I feel like all three of those drugstore would go together, like they're nude enough. But it like has a nice pigmentation to it, but a nice finish as well. So again, very excited to test that out. Some new drugstore, which is nice. And I'm really, really excited about it. So that is everything in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss all of these super, super exciting and new products reviewed. All of it's going to be reviewed here on my channel in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.